2017 Soda Taste Test Challenge.
Ooh.
Yes.
Halloween edition.
Yes.
Yay!
Too spooky for Jim. He's not here this
He
time.
ran off.
He ran away.
Which is, too bad for him because I don't know if we have any truly disgusting flavors.
I
for
know,
this.
this is going to be real
Yeah.
easy. He should have taken this one.
And it's my first taste test, so
Yes, and-
Mine too.
And hers too. Our guest star.
Pigs.
so I'm kind of glad that I missed all the nasty flavors. Sorry, Jim.
Yeah, hope
Jordan,
I missed all the nasty
We'll
flavors.
we ease you into this process.
Yes, so
All right, what should we start with first?
Let's see. What do we have as the first thing to start with? Let's start with something not too complicated. Maybe something more traditional, like a cola or something.
Do we want
cola
to
works
try
for
with
me.
the double cola?
Sure.
Oh, yeah,
Let's just go with
Let's
that.
try with the double cola.
All right. We have a nice old-fashioned double cola.
I might be able to just.
is it twisted?
Sometimes they
Yay.
twists off.
Twist
and I can get
off.
them off.
I assume that these aren't going to be too weird and wacky. Just enjoy double cola. It's probably twice as cola as it should be.
That would be nice. I do like cola.
Made
Indeed.
with sugar, always a plus.
Indeed. We're just going to give everybody a little bit of splish going on here. Just we want to see what's happening.
I made sure to get clear glasses so that people could see.
Always a bonus.
Like if I could find 4, I was going to do it. And I did.
Okay.
Well
Okay.
done.
Now, first thing, swish it around, get the aroma.
You smell the bouquet.
That is definitely a cola.
It's
Yeah,
definitely cola.
Definitely cola, definitely.
Ready?
Nice cola flavor. Good bubbles. Good bubbles.
Yes, indeed. All right then.
Yes.
Ready?
That's a cola.
Yeah.
Like, oh,
It's
not
not
bad.
nearly as double as I would have hoped it to be.
It's really more 1.
Yeah.
It's really more 1. I know it says double, but it's
maybe it's
Yeah.
1.5 cola.
maybe. At most, it's 1.5.
It's definitely a
Maybe.
cola. If it's a double cola, I'm gonna have to agree with you guys. I really don't feel the double cola-ness of that.
It's basically like less sweet RC. That's pretty much what we're
Yeah,
getting.
yeah,
with
yeah.
yeah.
That's not a very exciting cola.
No, but it's not bad.
Yeah, it's good. I would
It's okay.
definitely have that again.
It's okay.
Yeah.
It'll ease us
Definitely
in.
have that
Yes.
again.
All right.
All right. Let's put that one off to the side.
We'll just
You'll
keep
try
him
that
up
one?
there for the moment. Boop.
Now, next, what do we want to try now?
All right. What do we need next? What do we have?
Should we be more daring or another easy?
Let's go another step up, shall
Should we
we?
try another cola or try a different flavor?
What's this one?
Shirley Temple.
Sure, let's go with
Sure.
that.
Yeah, okay.
So we'll go in a different direction, and we have apparently
Ow. Okay, never
a
mind.
Shirley
soda
Temple
that will
soda. We really should be hand modeling these bottles a little bit
Fine,
for the
I'll do
camera.
that.
Shirley Temple
I'm not wearing
soda.
my glasses, so I
Shirley
can't see
Temple
where the camera is. That's probably no good.
It's in that
So-
right direction.
Okay, so Shirley Temple soda pop. Love the soda pop part. Hollywood's original Shirley Temple soda pop. Yeah. Ooh. Pure cane sugar. It's always good. Yeah.
Always good, yes.
Get your deposit if you bought it in any of the states that do that.
Okay.
So.
Get a nickel bag.
Okay. Yeah.
Indeed.
Pour this.
All right, let's get a little bit of this guy and see what we have here. This is a
Nice
Shirley
fizz.
Temple. We're talking the old-fashioned kind of kitty cocktail, cherry 7-Up thing going on. It's
It
basically what
does
we're
have
dealing
a
with.
cherry 7-Up look to it.
Mhm.
Am I pouring enough? I can't see.
Yeah,
I
it's
should probably
good.
take my mask off and put my glasses on.
And you're doing fine.
Alright.
Alright, let's
Put
see
it
what we
in the
got.
altar.
Looks kind of like a sparkling pink champagne.
Definitely
Yeah,
smells like
That's a very cherry.
very cherry.
All right then. There we go.
Bottoms up.
Yeah.
Yeah, not bad.
Okay, a little sweet. Yeah, sweet.
No.
Nope.
No.
Yeah.
No. You know what this reminds me of? This reminds me of when you're sick and you have that cherry cough syrup,
It is a little cherry cough syrup.
but you don't want to drink all the cherry cough syrup, so you take your cherry cough syrup in a little spoon, and then you quickly swallow it down, follow it with some ginger ale,
Mm-hmm.
and then you have that taste when they're mixed together. That's what that reminds me of.
It is a little bit, yeah.
It's a little medicine-y.
Because unlike like a cherry 7-Up or something, it's
Yeah.
not quite as sweet. It
It's
has
not
more.
sweet, no.
It almost like
Tart.
it's almost like was trying to make it almost alcoholic in its subtlety.
Yeah.
Yeah.
It
So
doesn't
it's
taste
just-
like any of the Shirley Temples I've had.
No.
No.
I'd rather just make my own Shirley Temple.
Yeah.
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 That's a little sweet.
So that's a little disappointing.
No.
Again, we're not getting anything exciting here so far. It's just mostly disappointment.
No, I'm not
It's
disappointed in
drinkable.
double cola.
Well, we up the ante
I
a
mean,
bit,
it's
you
not
know.
double, but like.
It's not something that's gonna be like you're gonna spit it out. Or
Yeah.
something.
Yeah.
You
No,
can drink
no.
it if you had to.
Okay, so let's do something more interesting now.
What do we have?
Butterscotch? Why don't we
Ooh.
try
Yeah.
Alright.
butterscotch beer, non-alcoholic.
Ooh, butterscotch beer. The Flying Cauldron Butterscotch Beer. Non-alcoholic butterscotch cream soda.
Ooh. 100% gluten-free and 100%
Yeah,
natural.
everything is gluten-free. We know.
That's good
This
to know.
doesn't have any bread in it. Congratulations.
Just in
Butters-
case you were worried that
Flying
they may have
Cauldron.
snuck it in there.
Yes, Flying Cauldron Butterscotch Beer. Since 1374, the Flying Cauldron has been making this magical brew for underage wizards or wizards who are young at heart. At their brew pub in Hogsbreath, England. This recipe has changed little over the centuries. It has the perfect combination of smells and quality natural ingredients. Okay.
What does it say? Oh.
Okay.
Add a scoop of vanilla ice cream to create our giggle potion.
Okay then. Well, apparently
Another time.
so we're going full fedora here. Okay, I gotcha. Okay.
Oh,
It is. There we
Yay.
go. Kung Fu grip. I can do it. Oh, good. All right. Let's see what we have here.
I like the gas vapor coming out.
It is. It's nice pressurized bottle.
not lacking in atmosphere.
Indeed. This is very appropriate for this setting.
Yes. Happy Halloween, everybody.
Happy Halloween.
Oh wow! I can smell
Oh my
that butterscotch
God.
already.
Woo!
Wow, that is
Just filling the room.
Oh wow.
That is a
Smells like
butterscotch.
It is a
It smells like a
butterscotch.
butterscotch candy.
It's like inhaling a butterscotch candy.
Just
Exactly what it
womp.
is.
Shove one up your nose.
It's like someone just melted it down and made an air freshener.
Welcome to Werther's liquid form.
So that's what I'm thinking.
Ooh. All right.
Okay.
Let's see what we have here.
Salute. Yeah.
Oh wow.
Ooh,
That is a Werther's candy.
That
It's
is
good form.
sweet as hell.
Oh
that
boy.
is like
That goes right to your head.
Oh,
wow.
boy.
That is.
That is
Someone just melted down the candy and just bottled it up.
That's
Yeah.
gonna
Butterscotch butter gin right here.
Oh
That's
boy.
like ooh.
Ooh. This is gonna take me a while to swallow.
oh, this is like
That's
It's
That's
just-
what she said.
I think it's another one with a little medicine in it.
it does have a tiny bit of yeah.
But it's
Yeah.
pretty good actually.
It's pretty good, but
It's definitely a strong flavor.
I wouldn't have.
You know
it,
what? I do
but-
want. I mean, I could see this maybe tasting good with ice cream.
Yeah, if you made a float out of
If you made a
this,
float
this
out
could
of
be
this,
really
that would
good.
be
Like a
good,
cream
the-
soda.
Yeah, I think that the ice cream would like sort of dilute the sweetness a little bit.
This is pretty overpowering.
Yeah,
It's
this
It
like
is.
butterscotch. It's like screaming at you, and it's
Yeah,
like you know,
I
give me a little
know.
more subtle than that.
I don't know.
So
if
someone
I
just
wanna
melted
finish
down the
this.
candy in its pure form and then just poured it in a bottle. Had a little carbonation. There you go.
But I can see this. It'd be like a root beer floats, but with butterscotch. It could
It's
be
gonna,
actually
it's gonna
good.
take a few more sips.
So you'd be, the ice cream make it like a cream soda.
Yeah. I like that.
No, I don't like that at all. No, but I'm a trooper, so I'll finish it.
You
But
gotta finish it. That's part of the rules.
Yep.
Wait until the end. Then you'll not want to finish it.
You know, you got a full glass of it, that might be
No.
a different
Oh,
story.
God, no.
We probably want a palate cleanser now.
This is no, we don't get palate cleansers.
This is true.
Oh god.
That's not how this works.
But I mean something. Do we want something milder, or do we
No,
want to
wait,
keep
no, don't waste it. We need it.
No.
Okay, all right.
That's her palate cleanser.
Violating the rules already.
Rules, schmools.
All right. So what do we have next? We need something different.
Yeah, something.
Some of the Inca Cola. Some.
Should we say that for last?
We can do that.
We could do
It's
that.
a little different.
Why don't we do that?
All right. So we have a giant bottle here.
Inca Cola.
Inca Cola.
The Golden Cola.
A golden carbonated beverage.
Dorada. What's this? La Cola?
La Cola Dorada. Yes. I don't know what it is. It doesn't really say. It has no description. It's just, it's gold and it's cola. So we'll find out what it is.
Cola with a
This
K.
is a butterscotch.
Don't worry, we'll handle that soon enough. All right?
No hurling on camera.
Try not to.
No hurling. It's not allowed.
If you're gonna spew, spew into this. I feel like I've seen Inca Cola in certain stores in my neighborhood growing up, but I never actually bought it.
I made it from my own pee.
I mean, it's made by
Hey,
the
now let's
Coca-Cola
drink.
company,
That explains a lot.
so it's
And now
not
we're gonna
like
drink.
All right.
it's gotta be.
I hope you
somewhat
like
good.
it because we got a lot of it. So
Sure, what? That,
I'll be
That's-
drinking that.
That's really sweet.
that is a
I'm
really
not sure what
sweet
that smell is.
Ooh.
Bubble
That's-
gum.
It's different.
Yeah, there's a little bubble
ice cream.
gummy.
Yeah, it doesn't.
Mm.
Yeah. Ooh, okay.
My question is, does it taste like bubble gum or God knows
Well,
what?
I guess we'll find out.
Okay then. Let's see.
I like
what
the
we have.
weather.
There you go.
It smells a lot sweeter than it actually is.
Yeah, it's
that's
milder.
definitely true. It's
It
my,
definitely
yeah.
doesn't taste like bubble. It may
Kinda
smell like
tricks you a
bubble gum,
little
but it doesn't taste. Again,
No.
not sure what.
I'm not sure what that flavor's supposed to be exactly.
No, it's
Like lemon cola.
Yeah, it is very kind of lemony, but it's
like,
not very strong
It's
lemon.
not. It's not. It's like it's a different type of lemon. Like you like Sprite or Mist Twist. Like that's a kind of lemon kind of.
Yeah,
but
instead
this-
of the lemon lime, it's just lemon. Without the lime.
Yeah,
Hmm.
and put the little twinge of cola.
It's lemon bubblegum.
it's not bad.
Yeah,
It's not bad. Yeah.
not
Not
bad.
terrible. Not
I mean,
nasty.
you know.
No, I don't know if I would have it all the time, but it's interesting.
No, I mean, if it was at a party, I'd probably have some if that was my only option.
I mean, I wouldn't turn it away.
Is something to wash the food down?
I might.
No, it's not bad.
At least I don't hate it because I'm not going to be the one who's going to have to
Uh-huh.
trudge through it.
Oh,
You
yeah.
get to have the rest of
Yeah.
it.
That's fine.
Yeah.
Okay.
Okay.
No.
Cool. Oh, I gotta finish this.
Oh,
A
that's
little different. Yep, yeah, I've
Get your
mentioned.
Get your coaster.
Sorry, guys. I think I'm. That really screwed me up.
Yep.
That really screwed me
It's
up.
part of the game. Welcome to the Taste Test Challenge.
The last one remaining.
You just gotta keep going. Gotta drink it.
Oh, we can wait a minute.
Oh.
We can wait a minute.
Hold on a second. Oh, she's a little belchy.
Excuse me.
Okay.
Let it out.
Right now,
Okay.
I don't know what he's
Okay.
saying.
All right.
Good.
Yeah. Excellent.
Good.
All right.
Do we really want a challenge?
A challenge.
Blueberry?
Oh.
Oh, don't even know what that
Oh,
is.
what is this?
It is McFuddy Pepper Elixir.
Distinctly strong.
Distinctly strong. Concocted in the laboratory of McFuddy.
So, it sounds like those mints, though, the curiously strong
Infused
mints.
with luck. 12 ounces for 24 hours of favorable outcomes.
Well, we could use some of that.
Yes.
Cures timidness and satisfies the daring. Ooh.
Well, we're daring.
Well, this is the perfect drink, I guess. If you're going to have a challenge, this is the challenge for you. We should have started with this, and maybe we should have been better off. Okay, well, we'll find out what pepper elixir is supposed to be. Except this one I don't think is a twist top. I think this is an actual top.
Okay.
Here, let's see if we can get this guy open.
So maybe it's like a liquid Altoid. The curiously strong, distinctively strong. And if you can get up and incredibly strong, no?
There we go. I just didn't want to whack somebody with my ninja
Please,
reflexes
I've already
kick
got
in.
injured.
Okay.
Alright. Ooh,
It is
There's
dark.
some
It
info left in there.
it is very dark. It has a glug.
It's a good glug though.
It is. It's a good glug.
Not so much bubbles as the others when you pour it.
No, it's pretty viscous actually.
Yeah.
Don't know if that's a good thing or a bad thing.
It's going to be strong.
Because we'll find out.
Alright.
Alright, and a meek fuddy.
All right, buddy.
Ooh.
Oh.
Okay, that hit the nose. That's a little spicy.
Smells kind of like a little cherry, I think.
Yeah, but
Yeah.
it's definitely peppery.
Yeah.
It's like a sweeter, cherrier,
Ooh.
Dr. Peppier.
Something like that, yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah, okay. That's what it
All
smells
right.
like anyway. We'll find out when we taste it.
Alright.
All right, all
There
right.
we
Here we go.
Oh, wow.
Yeah, that-
Okay, that will open up your sinuses.
Or close them up. Either way.
It doesn't really
It
taste
is,
that strong to me. Like it tastes like a little bit of a peppery
It's the aftertaste.
It's- yeah.
It is. It's like a Dr.
Oh.
Pepper with actual black pepper
Ooh.
aftertaste.
Wow.
Like that is strong. Wow.
But once you get past the first sip, it's better.
Yeah.
It's like
Yeah.
you acclimatize to it.
When does it start
Nope.
getting in there?
No, you don't.
Not her.
Not me.
Can't handle it.
Ugh. Oh, that's like right
It's starting
there.
to get a little spicy. Yeah, it's
That's right
definitely
there.
the
Yeah, the
black
more you
pepper.
drink, the more you can
Yeah.
feel it sitting
It's
there.
sitting there.
It starts coating everything.
Yeah, it's definitely coating.
The question is, will any of our
Oh,
subsequent sodas get rid of that or mask that?
Hopefully.
Hopefully so.
I say the more you drink, the more that it sits there, the stronger it
Correct.
gets.
Oh boy.
I kind of like it though.
yeah. I kind of liked it myself. It was
It's got some
strong.
It's got some intensity to it.
It's kind of
Not
like
so much when you drink it though, but the aftertaste is
Yeah.
strong.
I mean,
Just-
When you're drinking it, it's fine. But when you're done drinking it, oh boy, yeah.
You breathe pepper for a while.
Mhm.
Mm.
That's what
yeah,
it is.
it strikes me as a drink that's not like it's not as strong, but it's something like ginger beer.
Yes.
You wouldn't have it very often. It's one of those sipping kind
It's
of
a
drinks.
sip. Yeah, it's a sipping soda.
Yeah,
It's
sipping
like sipping whiskey. It's sipping.
Sipping.
It's
What's
to
the name again?
McFuddy.
A sipping mint
Yes.
buddy.
Yes, it's there for enjoying the flavor of it,
Indeed.
not
Yeah.
for just quenching a thirst.
You're sitting there in your little
Yeah, that is
smoking
not a
jacket
thirst
and your
quencher.
pie.
That is
No.
not something you drink when you're thirsty.
Oh, that
That
is
is
a
not.
spicy,
That
spicy
is-
little pepper.
That's a
Then
spicy
you need something to
meatball.
wash that down.
Oh.
Now, where do we want to go from here?
What do we
We got
have
three
left?
choices. We got a blueberry.
We have blueberry, Captain Eli's blueberry, which I'm cheating because I've already had, but but I don't think my colleagues
We
have.
I
got
have
cheer
not had
wine.
We have cheer wine, which we've already had.
We've
so
already
I
had
have
the
not
challenge.
had
I
cheer
have not
wine.
had cheer wine
that was
either.
just.
Then we
that was
got
just
big
here.
red, delicious, different, made with real sugar.
Oh boy.
Well, we start with the blueberry one, and
All right
Could be
then.
another eccentric.
Okay.
even though I.
We have a very large
have-
challenge
wait,
this time.
Did we have 9 sodas?
Well, we have the glug. Yeah.
Oh,
That is coming at the end.
Yes, we'll
That's
be
the
preparing the
top.
glug.
plus we have that root beer.
We do have the root beer.
But
which
it's
is
not
also
part of the
another-
challenge. We have a whole bunch of other things that aren't necessarily part of the challenge.
Oh, okay. I didn't
for
know. I didn't
enjoyment.
realize.
Captain Eli's Blueberry Pop. Because who doesn't want a little kid in a boat with a parrot?
Exactly.
Who doesn't want to drink a little blueberry and there's some. Oh, it's purple.
It's not blueberry.
Yes.
Here's a blueberry.
Ooh. Oh yeah, that's definitely
Yes.
blueberry just coming out of that guy.
I don't know if I'll be able to smell it because that pepper. Ooh, that.
Yeah, the pepper might have been something better to save to the end. Maybe.
Yeah, maybe. We probably should have gone light to dark, light, heavy, just. Yeah.
Probably should have
Here,
pepper
we'll get-
for last, but too late now. No turning back.
Variety is the spice of life.
Alright, so our
Okay.
Well, this will just be part of the test. Can any soda mask the McBuddy?
indeed. Alright.
Oh, that's a blueberry.
That is
Blueberry,
blueberry.
very effervescent.
Indeed.
Got the color like blueberry.
Not
Mhm.
really, but okay.
I think blueberries are like purpley color.
I guess I don't know.
A little bit.
Pay that much attention to blueberries.
I don't really. I just eat. I like them in muffins, and I like them in muffins. That's what I like my blueberries in. Okay.
It's nice and mild.
Mm-hmm.
Must start, it tastes like a blueberry.
There's a bit in there. It's like a candied blueberry almost.
Yeah, that's a much subtler flavor.
It's mild. It's not
That's
strong.
It's not bad.
Mm.
The problem is trying to taste it through with the other things we've already had.
That's why
true.
we should have had some water to cleanse our palates before we had.
Nah.
That's part of the challenge. Can anything mask previous soda?
We don't do palate cleanses around here. It's not how this works.
On the plus side, I don't taste that peppery stuff anymore. Let's cover that.
It did
Doesn't seem to cleanse
it
that.
did cool everything down. But that's kind of like why you have two sips. You have the first one sip to get rid of everything else, and then you can get the clean one out the second way. It's not bad though. I like that. Nice little blueberry soda.
Yeah, I could probably go for that again, depending on what I was
Yeah.
eating. Whatever, like what my meal was. Or if it was
It's just a blueberry tinted cream soda.
Yeah,
Yeah,
that's
yeah,
what
yeah,
it was. Blueberry tinted cream
Yeah,
soda.
not overpowering.
No.
Too
It
strong.
was
Very
good.
subtle.
It was
Very good.
Calmed down.
All right, we have
Two
one
left.
We have really just one more left because we've had that one before.
That one didn't
so-
count.
This
Well,
is
some of you have, and
Yes,
some of us
we
haven't.
have.
this is true, but we'll be trying that afterwards. There's a few.
Okay.
We have Big Red,
Big red.
deliciously different, made with real sugar.
I mean, it doesn't tell you what Big Red's supposed to be like. An apple, cherry, strawberry. It doesn't tell
It's
you.
just
It's
red.
red.
It's
It's
just
everything.
it tastes like red.
It
tastes like
Simple
red.
red.
tastes like red.
I believe this is another one of these things that I had as my youth at
Maybe.
one point.
You probably
It is-
have.
It is a Chicagoland soda,
Oh, okay.
along with the Green River that we had last
Yes.
time and such. Those kind of come from that area.
Now, if this is cherry, I'm interested in comparing it with the cheer wine that we've had.
Indeed. But this is more truly, I believe, a red cream soda.
Ah, okay.
It'll just do its thing. There we go. There we go.
Right.
A little bit there.
Nice amount of fizzy bubbles.
Indeed.
Oh, pleasant.
Very cherry.
It smells kind of like a cherry lollipop.
Yeah.
Yeah,
like
yeah.
Very, very cherry.
carbonated cherry Kool-Aid.
Okay, name that taste.
It's like a bubblegum kind of soda.
Yeah.
That's kind of what it is.
It's not
And yeah,
bad.
it's that cream soda. It's the cream soda bubblegum kind of thing
Yeah.
going on.
Bubblegum cream soda.
It's pretty good.
Yeah, it's pretty good.
You don't have to lie.
You don't have to like it.
Don't lie.
No, I.
The better.
I, nope.
The reactions are better that you don't like it.
Nope.
Oh boy.
She does not get along with that.
We might have hit her limit.
She may not be able to continue.
1 second.
She hasn't even done the real challenge yet.
Whoa, wait, what's the real challenge?
Finish that first.
We still have one more. I'm going to have to go and prepare that. Do we want it just room temperature, or do we want to heat it up?
Well, we
the
could do.
glug? Oh yeah.
Yeah, the glug.
If you're
I
supposed
think-
to heat it up, you're
I
supposed
think
to
we
heat it
should be doing that as like an extra.
We want to do that as an extra?
Yes,
But these will get
because
the
we have
tier
the
one.
other challenge to do first, and then that can be an extra bonus.
Okay, so we want to do. Okay.
up. The things we do to entertain you people.
We still got one more down there. that we-
But that
Oh,
we've already
we
had
forgot
that
to
one.
mention that today our taste test, as I lose my wig, is being performed in front of a live studio audience.
This is true.
Yay! Get over that. Okay.
Whole live audience of 2.
I was
Yeah.
hoping that
Good
whenever,
enough,
like,
it
I was
works.
hoping the
It
camera
counts.
would turn to the studio audience so I
No.
could
We
like
don't have
dump this
anyone over
behind
there.
me.
No.
But no one's
Nope,
actually
nope.
over there.
Sorry, can't get. If we don't let Jim get away with it, we're not gonna let you get away with it.
But like, I'm special.
You're very special. Now drink your drink.
And you can do it. Just a few more things.
I'm just afraid that if I finish it, there's gonna be another challenge, and I'm not gonna like that
Okay.
challenge.
If you can finish that, I will let you skip out on the final challenge if that's really what you want.
What is the final challenge?
I'll tell you when you finish that.
Jesus. You know what? I think I would have been fine if it hadn't been for these two. I think these two right now are having a war,
Yes.
like right here.
Mm.
Not to point to my boobs and show off my
They're
bra.
right here. The
But, like,
war is right here.
Right here, like right.
Right between here.
No, I'm not pointing my boobs.
In the battle tits. They're right in there. Just get
I'm
right in
pointing
there
underneath.
and mess them around. That's where we need it.
I'm pointing underneath. But fine. Yes, I'm a girl and I have boobs. What do you want from me? Here, you want to see?
Okay.
Alright. No, oh, I still have to drink this. Okay, fine.
Yeah.
You're not gonna what?
So try
This
to
is all
distract long
distractions.
enough.
Does anybody have a bucket? This is really hard.
Chug.
You
That's
can
not
do
helping.
it. You can do it.
You can do it.
There's just some cream soda.
This is like, do you remember? I don't know if any of you have ever had to like get like CAT scans or MRIs of like your GI tract and
Yeah.
everything, and you gotta drink that like
The
strawberry
barium swallow.
milkshake.
Bavarian.
The barium
Barium.
swallow.
Yep.
It's just that level of cherry
So
goodness.
now she's thinking about the barium and is adding it to
Yep.
the memory.
I'm
is coming
debating
back.
whether or not this is worse than that.
She doesn't quite have Russ's eyes and I's practiced iron stomachs.
No,
for
I
this.
don't.
Yeah,
I'm very sensitive.
We've done this for a while.
This
We're
is,
ready.
This is mild compared to some of the stuff we.
Oh no, this is nothing.
Oh.
I did it.
Yay!
Now don't pat her on the back.
Now what's the challenge?
The final challenge that we have as a tradition here at the Soda Taste Test Challenge is to mark the Voltron drink.
Yes.
That is going to be a combination of all of them put together to see what happens.
Yes. Okay,
I told you,
we really have
finished, you have the ability to bow out.
You can bow out if you like.
No, I'm gonna do it.
She's gonna do it! She's gonna
She
do
said she
it!
would.
I'm a
Okay.
professional.
Yes.
We'll do this.
Excellent. Alright.
Just don't pour too much of each.
Yeah, just a
Oh
little
no, there
bit.
won't be much of each. There isn't much in the
Just a little
bottle.
splash.
And besides, we might need to save a little bit for our studio audience as well.
yeah.
Yes, we will
You might want
be.
to try.
But no, we will.
Just enough for a taste.
Yes, indeed.
Now it depends on what
Me.
it depends. Oh. You okay?
Yeah.
You alright?
Burping.
Oh.
Okay, cool.
Now it depends on what this is. This could either be a Voltron or a Capt'n Pollution.
Yes.
We'll have to see.
It depends on how badly they come
Now,
out.
Yes.
what order are you gonna do it? Are you gonna put like the heavy ones? on the
It doesn't
first?
matter. They're all gonna mix
We're gonna
together.
mix them all together.
I'm gonna
Well,
start here with the Inca Cola because it's a nice place to start.
Yes, yes, yes.
And we can watch everything corrupt the nice golden flavor.
You can see all the pretty colors we may get.
Just need a little bit. Just enough to get the job.
That's a little bit more than a little bit.
It's a speech.
Sploosh.
Splish.
It's a
Splash.
sploosh.
It's a speech.
Taking a bath.
Yes.
Turns out there's a party going on.
Give you
There
the
is a
Going on
party
right
going on.
here.
We stopped our party to do this for you people.
Indeed.
Oh, this is part of the party.
This is the party.
This is a party.
Yeah, there's a whole
Party
bunch of
going on
people
right
eating fancy cheese in the other room. We're in here drinking
Just
soda.
drinking sodas.
Drinking soda.
And now the Captain Eli's Blueberry Pop.
See what that does.
Sploosh in there.
Sploosh.
It's getting to be kind of a reddish.
Sploosh.
Reddish orange. Almost.
Maybe like a grapefruit.
A little bit, yeah.
Oh,
a little bit.
grapefruit color, yeah.
Sploosh. There we go. That's not so bad.
They just
Then
go down
we get
the
to
line
do
so
some of the Flying Cauldron Butterscotch Beer.
Oh god.
Oh, it's
The thought
gonna
of
be bad.
That's not
take
gonna
the cat by work. Although the camera might just fall off and use
Oh, I smell it over here already. Oh no, I smell it over here. Nope. Nope. I'm not looking.
Do not look.
I'm just gonna close my eyes
It hasn't
and
changed the
not
color
look.
though. It's still staying the same.
It's still that golden pea color. It's all good.
Still the grapefruit color.
Yeah. All right then. Then the real Nick
the
Funny Peppered Elixir.
We'll see if the peppermint
This is the fun
shines
one.
through. Yeah.
This will just throw everything into chaos.
A little darker. That's a little darker.
Indeed.
Sort of like blood.
A little bit.
A little carbonated blood.
Then we get to do our big red. Yes,
Hey, we still got 2 more to go.
Yep. This is actually a bigger Voltron than we usually have. We usually have 5 drinks, but we have 6 this time. So it's an extra special challenge.
Actually 7, so you got the...
Indeed.
7, yeah.
These are-
7.
Well, it's trade-off. These are a little bit easier to drink than the past, so we just have more of them.
Now it's getting darker.
Now a little bit of double cola just to give it a traditional flavor that we know what it is already. Ooh, and suddenly it's getting bubbly and fizzy. It's starting to react.
Which
You
may
can see
react
that
in
like
our
the double
stomachs.
cola is staying its own separate layer. It's not merging with the other sodas.
Alright.
I don't know
It
if you can
really
see
is.
that on film, but the double
It's
cola
just floating
is
on
just
top.
floating
Sitting
on
right
top.
on the top there.
It
It's
won't merge. It
it-
won't fuse with the other.
And just to make it more kid-friendly, more of the Shirley Temple. In the good ship, lollipop. Seasickness.
It's just really interesting to see, like, even now, like, the Shirley Temple went through the cola, and there's, like, a little bit of a bubble of Shirley Temple in the middle.
Yeah, it's just.
Okay.
Alright, so here
I
we
can
go.
smell the peppermint a little in there.
Ooh, that's an interesting smell.
That's a something.
That is something.
I might not be able to make. Do I have to finish this?
Well,
should
that's
try.
a lot of it.
If you can't, don't worry about it.
Alright.
This is the challenge.
Well,
It
Can at
could be
least drink some
horrible.
of
there you
it.
go.
Blinkies. Blinkies, 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 blinkies.
Okay.
Wait.
Challenge.
See you on the other side.
Yeah.
We're not that strong. I
Yeah.
thought that was gonna be like some
Oh.
real strong. Oh, she's
Oh,
going. Oh,
she's going for it.
She doesn't want to taste it again.
That's exactly why I did that.
It
Going
counts.
for it. Careful now.
Now the aftershocks will hit.
You
Oh,
can-
and she's on the ground.
Okay.
You okay?
And the viewers at home are thinking, yeah, she's got this.
She went.
Oh god.
That's the trade-off of not wanting to.
You took it all at once like a champ.
Yeah, I knew that if I stopped drinking it, like halfway through my first sip, I knew that if I put the cup down, I'd never pick it back up again. And I didn't want to be like the only one that had some left unfinished and like having everybody think like I'm a chicken or like Jim who like ran out so he wouldn't have to do this.
It's not
taste
even
test.
here.
I give her credit because she chugged it. That's all.
Yeah,
She chugged that thing down.
Yeah.
We didn't do that. No.
Just pretended that like I was the last one in a line at Flip Cup and is all writing down, it was all on my shoulders and chugged it so I could win.
So I thought the
You know.
peppermint would like stand out, but I mean all the other
No,
flavors,
it actually all-
it diluted
It
it.
blends
actually-
together really well.
Yeah, I actually really like
All
it.
of this
Yeah.
together actually tasted a lot better than each of them independently.
Yeah, this is actually
Except
a
for
pretty
like the
good
double
blend.
cola.
We have a Voltron.
We have formed
We have
Voltron.
formed Voltron.
This could be a nice little party punch in the future.
It could be, yeah.
It
It
could
was,
be
it
a
was
little
actually like
expensive party, but
Yes, it was.
But no, that
seriously,
is a
like-
good Voltron.
the
We
parts.
only do it once, twice
What
a
is
year.
it? The total, the sum of all the parts is.
it's more than the sum of its
Yeah,
parts.
there
Yes.
you go. It's everything together tastes really good.
No, oh, that is
It's
good.
just that like it was a lot of carbonation.
It's true. There was a lot of
There's a lot
carbonation
of
involved there.
carbonation in there. That,
Gonna
like,
be a little sick for a while.
little that like as you saw, I fell off the chair from the carbonation. It was like right here.
You took it like an intern.
An unpaid intern, which is what I am, right?
Yep. You're gonna pay all right.
Maybe now I'll get
Might
paid.
pay for it in the morning.
No?
We'll put it in the paperwork, maybe.
Yeah, that's what you said last time.
Yeah, well,
So
The
anyway,
check's in the mail.
maybe.
maybe. All right. Well,
All right.
let's invite our studio audience to partake of some of this, but I guess after the cameras
Yeah.
stop rolling.
And meanwhile, Russ will go and
Wait, Russ is the last one. He hasn't finished
I
yet.
haven't yet. I'm actually savoring mine.
I beat Russ.
Chug, chug, chug.
that was good.
Yeah.
That's
Okay.
surprising.
I'm awake
All right.
now. I'm awake now. That's definitely woke me up.
Not
It's
all
all
that
good.
sugar rushing through her veins.
All right. Well, that's the end of the main challenge that we have for you this time. We're gonna have another little special bonus rounds coming up after this, but
Oh, we
That's it.
forgot the cheer wine.
Yeah, but
well, we've had that in the past.
that's technically already been done, so it's we've already been part of the
Though
official
if we
challenge, so
wanted
it's an
to-
extra.
The two of you could try the cheer wine
No,
just to give us
I'm
an
done.
opinion.
I'm
Okay.
done.
Okay, there you go.
All right.
I'm done.
So we'll be back for the bonus round as soon as it's prepared.
All right.
No, we're
Yay,
our sponsor.
bye.
Oh,
Bonus
Da,
round.
oh, da, 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 da.
Yes,
So no one recognized the long
this is our bonus round.
Bonus round!
round!
Da, 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 da,
Da-da.
da, da.
What we have here is glögg.
You just glug.
It is traditional Scandinavian winter beverage from
warm.
Grandpa Lundquist.
Ooh.
Heat and serve, non-alcoholic.
And we
Remember,
heated
you
it.
always want to serve those heathens.
Yes.
Thank you, Grandpa.
Glögg is the classic Scandinavian winter warming drink, spiced with cinnamon, cloves, cardamom, and citrus. Grandpa Lundquist Glögg is ready to be gently heated and served at festive celebrations or enjoyed quietly by a fire on a cold winter evening.
Ooh. Do we have a fire?
No. We have the fire in our hearts.
There you go. We'll just pretend there's one over there.
Glögg is often served in Glögg cups with raisins
There's
and
our fire,
almonds.
the little candles. There's our fire.
Grandpa Lundquist Glögg is non-alcoholic. You may choose to add wine or spirits. Some settling may occur, so shake your bottles well.
Okay.
All right.
Yeah.
So we have the
Russ
glug.
Walton?
We have the Glögg.
Right to Grandpa Lundquist.
Ooh.
Grandpa Lundquist.
Yes.
Ooh, that's got some bite.
Oh my. Ooh. Ooh.
Ooh.
I love that.
That is sweet and
Oh
spicy.
my.
A little bit like a mulled cider.
Yeah.
Yeah. Definitely
Glögg.
taste the citrus in it.
It's citrus cider, yeah. A little bit of
That
pepper.
has body to it too.
Yeah.
It's ooh.
I'm
That
liking
is
that it's
good.
hot. I'm
That is-
liking that it's hot.
Yeah.
It's nice and warm. It opens
Yeah.
up the throat.
Yeah.
Yes.
That's
That's
good.
good.
I think I'm going to have to keep getting more of this. This is addictive.
Oh yeah, this is good stuff.
This is good.
Good job.
huh.
We like the glug.
Actually, I don't know now.
No,
My second sip was not.
This is having second thoughts.
I'm
That-
having second thought.
That's the Voltron talking.
Is it the Voltron talking?
Could be.
Are we gonna mix this
Could be
with
all
the other
stuff.
stuff?
No, we're not going to mix this with the other.
This is
Some
an
of the bottles
extra.
have run out. We don't
Okay,
have
good.
Voltron round 2. Now with Carrier Zord.
No, I definitely love this.
No,
This is-
that's good.
I'm glad because I still have half a bottle.
So you can have some for another night.
I
This is
can.
This is definitely something I could see. Yeah, just on a cold night, you can warm it up and just.
I don't know. I think maybe I need
Warm
to
it up
have this
from the
again
inside.
on a different day. Maybe a little hotter. Maybe without having had other stuff before it.
I think all the
Yeah.
other stuff is really affecting.
It's probably
Yeah.
tainting your.
I don't know.
And
Yeah.
your stomach is probably getting full of all the other
I think my
beverages
stomach's
running
like no
around.
more beverages.
You're done.
Where's my American
liquid.
high fructose corn?
This is too good.
You know, I do think we have some non-diet something we could have.
Excuse me.
The spices are getting a bit much. In the nose.
Spice must
Am I allowed to
flow.
say it on TV?
So that was our bonus round with,
Yeah.
with Glog. It's
Nope,
We
that's
all
not
made
happening.
it.
it's 3 out of 4 think it's okay.
It's like thumbs up, Grandpa.